Keep your spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it there. Oh. 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 Pronounce to the Lord. Pronounce to the Lord only, my dear child. Let
Hariom.
us Hari Om, dear. Okay, so let us begin. Easy, difficult, tough,
Tough, very tough, difficult.
very tough today. Okay, excellent. The most toughest word I have is avasthitan.
दृष्ट्वा धातराष्ट्रान् कपिध्वजः प्रवृत्ते शस्त्र
No, no.
अवस्थितान्
Not vyavasthitan. Not vyavasthitan. Avasthitan. That's my toughest word.
I'm thinking.
Think. I can give you one more hint. Kaman avasthitan.
कैर्मया सह योद्धव्यम्
Excellent. Continue.
रणसमुद्यमे योच्यमानानवेक्षेऽहम् य एतेऽत्र समागताः धातराष्ट्र
Karnascha.
विकर्णश्च
No,
सैन्य
not
कर्ण
vikar.
कर्णश्च सैन्यार्थं तान् ब्रवीमि ते
No, that is sainyasya. Nayakamava sainyasya sanya. This is karnascha. Not
सौमद
vikar. No, not vikarna. Not vikarna. Karna.
Is it a word by itself?
Yes, karnascha.
भवान् भीष्मश्च कर्णश्च
Correct. Excellent.
कृतसमितिर्यः
Now vikarnascha.
विकर्णश्च सौमदत्तिस्तथैव
So
च
this karnascha and vikarnascha are both in same verse, and that verse number is 8. So the first line is Bhavan Bhishmascha Karnascha. So Karnascha comes there. And in the second line, Ashwathama Vikarnascha, Vikarna comes over there. Amazing you are. Okay, I have got one more tough word. Let us see you crack. Samudyame.
समुद्यमे कैर्मया सह योद्धव्यम्
No, that is after Avasthitat. Now Samudyame.
समुद्यमे योच्यमानानवेक्षेऽहम् य एतेऽत्र
Awesome.
समागताः
Superb.
धार्तराष्ट्रस्य दुर्बुद्धेः युद्धे प्रियचिकीर्षवः
Maharathaha.
17 or 4
4.
महारथः धृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान् पुरुजित्कुन्तिभोजश्च
17.
शैत्यश्च महारथः right second line the second च महारथः धृष्टद्युम्नो विराटश्च सात्यकिश्च पराजितः
Viratascha.
again 4 or 17
4.
युयुधानो विराटश्च धृपदश्च महारथः धृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः
17.
विराटश्च सात्यकिश्च पराजितः
Correct.
द्रुपदो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्वशः पृथिवीपते सौभद्र
Tataha.
13 or 14
13.
ततः शङ्खाश्च भेर्यश्च पणवानक गोमुखाः
14.
ततश्वेतैर्हयैर्युक्ते महति स्यन्दने स्थितौ
द्रौपदेयाश्च
6 or 18
6.
द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्व एव महारथाः अस्माकं तु विशिष्टाये तानि बोधद्विजोत्तम नायका मम सैन्य
18 or 18.
द्रुपदो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्वशः पृथिवीपते
Rishikesham.
15 or 24
I got you. What is the word?
Rishikesham.
So
Oh, 20 is 20.
21.
That's Rishikeshan, Tada Vakyam.
So that's what. So it is not Rishikeshaha. It is Rishikesham.
ऋषिकेशं तदा वाक्यम् इदमाहमयीपते अर्जुन उवाच
Rishikeshaha.
15 or 24
50.
पौण्ड्र ऋषिकेशः देवदत्तं धनञ्जयः पौण्ड्रं दध्मौ महाशङ्खं भीमकर्मावृको
24.
24 हृषिकेशः एवमुक्तो हृषिकेशः गुडाकेशेन भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये स्थापयित्वा रथोत्तमम्
Uttamam. Say that line again.
स्थापयित्वा रथोत्तमम्
Continue.
भीष्मद्रोणप्रमुखतः सर्वेषां समहीक्षिताम् युधिष्ठिरः नकुलः सहदेवश्च सुघोषमणिपुष्पकौ काशश्च परमेश्वरः
Dhananjaya.
2 or 15
No, only one is there. No?
Oh,
Where Dhananjaya to?
no Dhanurudyam I keep on getting confused always
So only one Dhananjaya is there.
पौण्ड्रं दध्मौ महाशङ्खं भीमकर्मावृकोदरः अनन्तविजयौ राजा
Samindjaya.
अश्वत्थामा विकर्णश्च सौमदत्तिस्तथैव च अन्ये च बहवः शूराः
Duryodhana.
What?
Duryodhana. Duryodhana.
दुर्योधनस्तदा
Duryodhanastada. Say again.
दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यमुपसंगम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत्
Another Raja.
अनन्तविजयौ राजा कुन्तीपुत्रो युधिष्ठिरः नकुलः सहदेवश्च सुघोषमणिपुष्पकौ
Bhishma.
भीष्म 8 10 11 25 Which
My
one?
God. Oh my God. Say all one by one by one. 8.
भवान् भीष्मश्च कर्णश्च
Bhavan. Bha Mahaprana.
भीष्मश्च कर्णश्च कृपश्च समितिञ्जयः
Another. Number 10.
10th one बलं भीष्माभिरक्षितं पर्याप्तं त्विदमे
Number 11.
यत् भीष्ममेवाभिरक्षन्तु भवन्तः सर्व एव हि भीष्मद्रोणप्रमुखतः सर्वेषां च महीक्षितान्
Awesome. Continue.
उवाच पार्थ पश्येतान् समवेतान् कुरुनिति हरि ओम्
Parameshvasaha.
कुन्तीपुत्रो युधिष्ठिरः
Parameshvasa.
शिखण्डी च महारथः
Kunti Yudhishthira will come for what?
16th
Yeah, but it will come after what? When I said Parameshvasa, you said Kunti Putro. I said no. Then you correct.
Raja.
Raja. So for Raja it is Kunti Putra. For Parameshvasa it is Shikhandi.
Parameshvasa शिखण्डी च महारथः
Now you tell me for Maheshwasaha.
महेश्वासाः भीमार्जुनसमायुधि
Excellent.
युयुधानो विराटश्च धृपदश्च महारथः धृष्टके
Narapungavaha.
नरपुङ्गवः काशश्च परमेश्वासः
No,
नरपुङ्गवः युधामन्युश्च विक्रान्तः उत्तमौजाश्च वीर्यवान्
say that again. Say that again.
युधामन्युश्च विक्रान्तः उत्तमौजाश्च वीर्यवान्
Balam.
10th verse line 1 or 2.
1.
बलं भीष्माभिरक्षितं पर्याप्तं त्विदमेतेषां बलं भीमाभिरक्षितं
Vyanunadayan.
तुमुलो व्यनुनादयन् अथ व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा धातराष्ट्रान् कपिध्वजः प्रवृत्ते शस्त्रसम्पाते धनु
Tumulo.
तुमुलो व्यनुनादयन् अथ व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा
Another tumulo.
There's another tumulo.
I got you.
Tumulo bhavan.
Yes, correct. Oh, that is also not
Am I
difficult
correct?
for you. Yes.
Tumulo bhavan.
Not bhavan, bhavat.
Tumulo bhavat.
No,
Kashascha.
no. No, bhavat, correct.
Which one is it?
Sashabda.
Oh, sashabdas tumulo bhavat. Tata shvetaihaye
Awesome.
When I got the feeling tumulo bhavat, I just knew something. Then I knew there was that sloka there.
I know you were so brilliant. You were well prepared.
महते स्यन्दने स्थितौ माधवः पाण्डवश्चैव दिव्यौ शङ्खौ प्रदध्मतुः पाञ्चजन्यौ हृषीकेशः देवदत्तं धनञ्जयः
Yandane.
What?
Yandane.
स्यन्दने स्थितौ माधवः पाण्डवश्चैव दिव्यौ शङ्खौ प्रदध्मतुः पाञ्चजन्यौ
Bahavaha.
बहवः बहवः
Bahavash.
What?
Bahavash.
Bahavash.
Anye cha.
Oh, अन्ये च बहवः शूराः
Bahavaha. So what you'll say?
अन्ये च बहवः शूराः मदर्थे त्यक्तजीविताः नानाशस्त्रप्रहरणाः सर्वे युद्धविशारदाः
Vipate.
पृथिवीपते सौभद्रश्च महाबाहुः शङ्खान् दध्मुः पृथक् पृथक्
Visharadaha.
विशारदाः अपर्याप्तं तदस्माकं बलं भीष्माभिरक्षितं
Anurudyamya.
धनुरुद्यम्य पाण्डवः ऋषिकेशं ददा वाक्यम् इदमाह महीपते अर्जुन उवाच सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये रथौ स्थापयमेच्युत
Pakau. Pushpakau.
पुष्पकौ काश्च परमेश्वासः शिखण्डी च महारथः धृष्ट
Something left for me to ask you. You're answering everything. What difficult I'm searching and everything you're making easy. How do I make difficult questions?
like a very difficult one. Like a
I
short
gave you already.
like a
I'm
very short word, very short word
one
already.
small tiny word. Okay. Samavetan.
समवेतायुयुत्सवः Oh,
Again, Samavetan.
समवेतान् कुरु निति हरि ओम्
Mahipate.
महीपते सौभद्रश्च महाबाहुः शङ्खान् दध्मुः
No, darling.
महीपते
Not Prithivipate.
oh महीपते
Hmm. So this was difficult.
I have this in the chits also Mahipate.
Hmm. Where did it go now? Mahipate.
Okay, I'll think, don't tell me the answer, I'll think by myself.
Okay, I won't tell.
Can you give a hint?
Yeah.
And which is it? 1 to 10, 10 to 20, or 20 to 25? Which one?
11 to 20.
11 to 20. 11 to 20. Mahipate. Saubhadra. Oh no, that's Prithivipate.
Hmm.
Mahi. I don't know.
You know it. It is after Pandavaha.
Pandava.
Where is
Pandava.
Pandava?
Pandavahas in 20.
So say,
Oh, Hrishikeshan tada vakyam etamaha mahipate.
then after that?
Arjuna uvacha.
Oh, so Mahipate, then?
Arjuna uvacha.
Correct.
If they say mahipate, I have to remember my own name.
Yes, that's it. Arjuna Vacha.
That's the biggest hint I need. That's it.
Shall I
Then-
try one more difficult like this?
Yeah, one more. Yeah, one more difficult.
More difficult is needed, right? Then we will complete. Priya Chikirsavaha.
प्रियचिकीर्षवः सञ्जय उवाच एवमुक्तो हृषीकेशः गुडाकेशेन भारत सेनयो
Sanjaya.
Huh?
Sanjaya.
सञ्जय उवाच
excellent.
पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढन्
Amazing.
योधनस्तदा
I'll try one more. Yudhi.
युधि
Yudhi. Dha Mahaprana.
युधिष्ठिरः
No, not Yudhishthiraha. Word is only Yudhi.
युधि
Single word.
single word
Hmm.
युधि
Hmm.
and I think I know this युधि.
It ends. It is at the ending.
At the ending,
Means at the end of the line it is. End of the first line.
it's from 11 to 20.
No.
It
In the
isn't
first shlokas, in the first few shlokas.
first few slokas.
Number 4.
Number 4. Oh, wait. Bhima Arjuna Samayudhi Yuyudhano Viratascha
Now only Yudhi. What you will say?
Yuyudhano Viratascha.
We are not going to ask. We are just doing our mental exercise of memorizing only. They are not going to ask this much stuff and all. Okay. Now last and the final one. Okay. You are extremely well prepared and I'm so very proud of you.
Somebody's the door.
Okay, go and open it. I'll wait.
Auntie, I'll go.
Yeah.
Auntie, put mat. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's continue. One last word for the day I'll give you. If I'll just give something in the middle.
Two last
small-
words. Two last words. This and one more. Then.
Okay. So I'll give you something middle and one tiny word. Okay,
Tiny.
they don't, something which they're not going to ask. You try. Chaiva. Chaiva.
वश्चैव दिव्यशङ्खौ प्रदध्मतुः पाञ्चजन्य
And one more Chaiva.
one more chair.
Chaiva.
Divyau शङ्खौ
One chaiva over, Divya Shankar. Now one more chaiva.
Shaiva.
Prithivim.
Prithvi. So Prithiving Chaiva Tumulo Venunadayan
Right.
Adha.
Okay, so there are two chaivas like this. Okay, now one more I have to give you, right? Amazing, yeah, you are. I don't have words to ask. You have figured out. Excellent. Only I will give you one alphabet. So
Saubhadrasya Mahabahu.
that is Sau. And that is Saubhadra, one word. This one word is only one alphabet, only Sa.
Saghoshodhartarashramana Hridayan Dharayat Nabhashtivi. Because Saghosho, like I just know that it's Saghosho.
Okay. Now I'll just do five simple ones.
There's even one more.
One more. Which
Yeah.
one?
Wait. I'm thinking. I know this with the sloka. Wait. Sugho.
Sughosha. Yeah, Sughosha is one word. Sa is only one.
Oh.
Okay. So now I'm going to ask you five simple ones. Normally how they ask in there. Okay. Five simple ones, and we will do five very rapid fire. Okay. Because they are simple. Yudhano.
Yudhano Viratascha Drupadascha Maharatha
Bhavan.
Bhavan Bhishmascha Garnascha Kripascha Samitin
Pravritte.
Pravritte Shastra
Not
Sampate
Pravritte, darling.
Pravritte Shastra Sampate Dhanurudyamya Pandavaha. What?
Poundram.
Poundhan Dadhmo Mahashankham Bhimakarma Vrikodara.
Poundram, you say. Not the.
Poundran Dadhmo Mahashankham Bhimakarma Vrikodara. Ananta. Kairmaya Sahayoddhavyam Asmin Ranasamudyame.
Last and the best one. Evam.
Eva
Evam.
Evam Mukto Hrishikeshah Gudakeshena Bharata.
Hi, you are awesome. Excellent. Well done. So tomorrow we'll catch up. When I'll post your video, you have a look at it. You revise it with the video. So where were the little bit hesitations were there, that also you will repair it very easily. Excellent. Superbly done. Okay, let's end the session now and see you tomorrow. Okay. Hold your spine straight. Close your eyes. Oh. Hari Om, darling. All the best. Loads of love to you. See you
Today I
tomorrow.
know because my Tamil teacher asked me to do some like menu, and then I finished it. I already finished it before like a lot of people, and then few people finished before me. I finished it. Then the teacher said do your corrections in the workbook. I did it, and after that she told to do this is the homework. But if you finish it, you don't need to do the homework. I finished it, so I didn't have any homework today. So I just played.
Awesome. So you had got a lot of time, but you are well prepared. So I'm very proud of you. And this will help you in a long way. See you tomorrow, darling. So tomorrow we are meeting afternoon.
Hey, tomorrow afternoon I'm free.
Okay, yes. So tomorrow at the usual time then. Okay. Love you. Hari Om. Tata.
Hari Om, ma'am.
Hari Om.
Thank you. Hari Om.
Thank you. Hari Om.